How to buy quqbnb token. So this token came under the symbol of QUQ. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on MEXC. If you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and benefit and fund it solely with some USDT. Now, how to buy this token on MEXC? Now go and log into your MEXC account, as you can see. So after you log into your account, go to this page, as you can see, and copy this token symbol. Now after you copy it, go to search and paste it, and you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. As you can see, wait a few seconds to be able to see this page. Now you are on the buy page. So as you can see, click on buy, select the limit. Here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of that USDT on your account, and click on buy QUQ. So after that, you can select also market. You can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy QUQ token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.